certainly wouldn't deny having a penchant for a beautiful church or a fabulous cathedral. But on this occasion, in Canterbury, we've got a real excuse. Because right next to it is this lovely place, the Victorian Fireplace, a family-run business supplying fireplaces and stoves around Kent. I'm here with John in this beautiful showroom. Tell us about the business, John. Tell us about you.
Victorian Fireplace, Canterbury. Been going for about 45 years, specialising in antique fireplaces, as you can see, and stoves. Yeah, that's basically it. Chimney sweeping, fireplace installation, flues, everything.
How many of you are there?
In total, at the moment, there's 5 including me, but there's soon to be 6. My younger son does all the restoration work. My second younger son he does all the accounts and books, and then my 2 eldest sons, they do all the installations. So yeah, and then there's me, and there's Dave, who helps out. He's my next door neighbour, long friend. Yeah, long-standing friend.
So you build fireplaces?
Yeah, we do full restoration work. I mean, that's actually what we do a lot of. So we buy up fireplaces, bring them in, sandblast them, clean them up, repair them, find the parts, because again, I mean, I've got hundreds of parts because of the length of time I've been dealing with them. They're done up and then they're brought in here. Hopefully then somebody wants to buy it.
And do you do the chimney restoration and?
Yes, we do.
Rebuilds and all that stuff?
Yeah, repointing, rebuilds, chimney lining, everything, right down to a box of matches, which is a box of matches just around the corner. Which yeah, I'll show you in a minute. But anyway,
special matches.
They are special matches. Yeah, if you,
they sell for matches.
No, I can show them to you if you want. Yeah, just
yeah. Let's have a
go
look.
on there. Hold on. Hold on. You'll like this. There you go. Everything including the box of matches.
Look at that.
Yep, that's it.
So that really is everything.
Yes.
It's rechargeable lighter. That's great. Fantastic.
Yeah.
So you do stoves, and again you do everything related to them.
Yes. Yeah, and fireplaces as well. But yeah, stoves. Yeah.
And you very kindly started doing Recoheats. What was your interest with that?
Basically, the novelty of it. I think it's a damn good thing. It's a good idea, and yeah, I believe. I think it's really good.
No, that's great. And so, what areas will you be covering in terms of installing?
Well, we do most of Kent. We used to, admittedly just now, it's retracted, so we do most of it, because Canterbury is central, so we do Canterbury and most of the coastal area. But we do go out to as far as Haywards Heath, London.
We're going to show you around the shop, because this is absolutely gorgeous. But
yeah, what you can see, I'm afraid it's a bit jam-packed.
But it's lovely, and really appreciate the support.
No, it's fine.
Thank you very much, John.
Pleasure, absolute pleasure.
So if you need anything fireplace related, or an absolute craftsman to sort you out with your fireplace or stove and your Recoheat, go and see the Victorian Fireplace by the cathedral in the middle of Canterbury.